Hello, hello. I'm going to show you in this video what you get with premium access in my free communities. I'm going to share my screen. So, inside of premium, what you get, let me show you here. It's just an overview of when you go to upgrade and it shows you what you get. Obviously, I have a free community, which I love. So anybody can come in here for free and not have to pay anything and get so much value. And if you're inside the Digital Boss School Hub, you get to promote a lot of people don't realize this. You get to promote once a day, either a freebie or a opt-in that's free or promote your free community. Now, if you want to promote your paid offers and paid communities, this is when you want to definitely upgrade to premium. And it's only $9 a month or 77 a year, which makes 77 a year makes it, I think, like $6.40 a month averages. So a lot of people take advantage of that. And then you get a guaranteed listing in the Digital Boss directory. I'll show you what that looks like. You get to promote either your community, freebie, lead magnet, paid offer, and you get to do two times a day. You get to promote if you are in premium. So that can be a paid offer and your community, a lead magnet and your community, whatever you want to do there. You also get access if you are a lady, sorry fellas, to my women's only community. So you don't have to pay the separate premium charges. You get access to both. So I think that is huge. And then you also, anybody gets a premium access to my Facebook group. So if you are on Facebook, you can promote daily in there whatever you want. And that is included in this premium charge here. And then you have your premium only category. I'll show you what that looks like. It also unlocks the guest expert replay vault, which everybody loves. And I will show you what that unlocks. And then I'm going to do a separate video on VIP. So this is just about premium. So we are going to go back to the community and I'm going to show you inside Classroom. Just as a FYI, if you're on your laptop, you can always go to any of your modules and in the top you'll see three dots. You can go click view as member and that will show you what a member sees, which is really cool to know. So you can see, obviously, you only have to have 5 points to level up to level 2, but if you're premium, that's going to unlock right away. And then you get, let's see, VIP, premium, the guest expert replay vault you get for premium. That's free. The Digital Boss directory. This is where, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. You get your own page where you can tell us who you are, who you help, your social media links, your website link, your any free resources you want to add in there. Like it's your dedicated page where people, and this is a public community, by the way, so anybody can come in here and find you and know where to go to access your stuff 24/7. And this lives in both of my communities. Okay. And then you also get it's VIP, the Facebook to Skool. I show people if you're on Facebook how to get people from Facebook to your Skool communities, which is my main goal with all social media. It doesn't matter if it's YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever. My main goal is to get them inside my community. So I go over that system there. This is huge. Build a freebie that grows your community and your email list. Community and our email list, I will say it over and over, is king. That's our gold. That is what you own. Social media can be hacked and take down at any time. And with that, you have your community and you always will have your email list so you can communicate with your people. So I walk you through a full training on how you can do that. Let's see. Pinterest to Profits, you can unlock at level 3 for free. Or once you are premium, that unlocks for you anyways. Let's see, that is VIP. Okay, get listed in the directory is unlock at 7 on level 7 or upgrade to premium. Okay, and create scroll stopping content unlocks at premium. Anyways, you see the things that you unlock, and that's on top of being able to promote twice a day and include your paid communities and paid offers. So I just wanted to clarify what all you get by being a premium member and why it's a great deal. So hopefully that helps. And I'm going to stop the recording and then I'm going to do another one on VIP.